Hello friends, welcome to EduTap. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about something which a lot of people are asking for over mails and calls. So what people are not able to find is that how can they get their descriptive writing test evaluated, right? So basically to get a feedback on their descriptive writing. So in this video, I'm going to talk about this. How can you get your descriptive test for NABARD Grade A Phase 2 evaluated? So if you are part of our NABARD Grade A course, you will see something like this. Either you will have gold package or a silver package, that does not matter which package it is. Whatever package it is, you just click on that. Inside that, what you will find is, you will find full length mock test for phase 2. You need to click upon this. When you click upon this, you will find this on the right hand side of your screen, right? So here what you can see is, one is schedule. Schedule is nothing but it is actually telling you on which dates the test would be held. So the first test is actually on 23rd of September, you can see here, right? The second test is on 30th of September, and the third test is on 5th of October, right? So 23rd September, 30th September and 5th of October. The first two tests we are going to evaluate, the third test we are not going to evaluate. The reason is that we want to give our best in whatever we evaluate. We don't want to evaluate just for the sake of it. So you will get very detailed comprehensive evaluation in the first two tests, which are on 23rd September and 30th September. Now you might be thinking that 23rd September has already passed by. Will you still be able to attempt this test? Yes, this is just the date on which it has been made live. After that, you can give it any time, right? So I hope you are able to understand, right? So if you want to give this test, what you need to do is click on here, right? This test has gone live on 23rd of September. The first video inside this test is the video explaining the guidelines and the process, that how to give this test, how to submit this test, how to check the evaluated copy. All that has been explained in this video. Then you will go to full length mock test, objective part and descriptive part. There are separate tests for that, for the objective and the descriptive. So if you click on objective part, right here, you can take the test. So here you can see there are 30 questions worth 50 marks. The time here it is showing as around 10 minutes, but this is a dummy test. In actual test it will show you 30 minutes. That is as per what will come in the exam. So once you are given the test, you can click on submit. Next is model, this one, full length test 1 descriptive test. This is the one which most of the people are asking about. So again, if you would have read the guidelines and the process, you will get to know how to give this descriptive test. You need to do nothing. It's very simple, right? Click on here, start taking test. So here it will show you questions, right? Here it will show you questions. So this is the first question, right? Then this is the second question. Discuss the role that rural centric policies can play in reaping India's demographic dividend. And this is the third question. Informal workers, right, in rural and urban areas have been hit most due to the pandemic. So this is the third question, and these are the three questions in the 10 marker, out of which you are required to attempt 2. The second section is basically the 15 marker section, right? So you can change section like this. So now it will show you 3 questions in your 15 marker section. Very simple. You just need to type your answer here, right? Whatever you want to type. So you can type it like this. Right, and you can continue typing like this, and when you type more, it will start scrolling also, just like the real interface. And once you have typed your test, right, or your question, you can submit it, right? It will go for evaluation, and later when the evaluation is done, you will be able to see your evaluated copies, right? So here we are providing you the exact interface which is required for the exam. It is being done within the exact time limits. The timer will be there, as in to replicate the actual exam type pressure. So I think most of you who are not able to attempt these tests shall now be clear that you can attempt this test by going to the full length mock test. There 2 mock tests are there which are being evaluated. The third one is for your practice. In each test there are guidelines, then the objective part and the descriptive part, and even the model answers are given, right? So here model answers are given, you can download, right? When you download, then you will be able to see the model answers, but please do not see these model answers before attempting it, because then it defeats the purpose, right? Many people start seeing the model answers before attempting the questions. So anyways, like that you can read n number of articles on internet. So here for each one of the questions which is under 10 marker and 15 marker, we have given you model answers which you can just scroll through and read that how your answer could have been better if you have not written as per your satisfaction. Again, this is just a model answer. This is not something that is the perfect answer or only these should be written. Descriptive answers, 100 people will write 100 answers. Nothing is you can say is correct or wrong, but yes, there definitely something can be good or bad. But do not take these descriptive answers as the only answers. And anyways, you will be provided feedback in your evaluated copy as I told you, right, with respect to what you have written. So this is the way you can attempt these tests, and I see a lot of people are not attempting it at this moment, though they are asking queries. But I think with this video your doubts will get cleared and you will know that there is something in the course which you can attempt and get your copies evaluated, and there can be a feedback given to you, right? So please do not wait for the results, right? Start writing. You will start enjoying it and you will want more and more. Ye dil mange more. It would be like that. चलो, हैव अ नाइस डे गाइस, और लिखना शुरू कीजिए, आज से ही लिखना शुरू कीजिए, बिल्कुल वेट मत कीजिए.